What? Two small shows. So what? We don't get nothing more?
Yeah, man. 2 tasks, something, man.
Alright, that is it. Yo, teacher.
Yes, father.
Yo, what go on? Tell Spencer, you may have funny gun.
Yeah.
See him? So nobody with the load up, you see it?
Yeah.
Keep the thing on a level and make sure everything runs smooth, see him?
That is it, father. Them time I see must forward from church, no?
Eh? She's got full time, she got get a page, you know. Forward now.
Look, it's not every smile is genuine, alright? If you're not smiling from the eyes or the heart, it is not real. But many don't even know the difference.
That's true, Pastor. Because every week, me give Sister Nicey plastic smile and me I tell her say, I know she don't know a difference.
Hey, Sister J, what if I tell you, Sister Nicey is a whole mood.
She and her husband alright?
I like to believe so, no. Why ask?
Because last week she get up from beside him when the whole choir sing.
Maybe she have to use the bathroom or something. I don't know.
No. She go over the other side, go sit down, Pastor, and then she look on the entire choir like a widow or something.
Oh boy. Look, true be told, Sister J, Sister Nicey has a big chip on her shoulder. Alright? For the longest while she has been trying out for the choir and she just can't make it.
First me I hear this.
Well, it may be just a little bit more than that.
As long as I don't need she have issue with my good.
Well, truth is, I highly doubt that.
Pastor, you know what I want to ask you from what day?
What's that?
I want to teach 3 young girls them we start church a month ago.
3 young ladies. Which 3 young ladies that?
The 3 friend them man we always dressed like a dancer go man we bake makeup on them face.
Oh, those ladies. I have no idea what happened to them. Furthermore, they didn't even seem like they wanted to be in church.
Look to me like you more than they want.
Well, I can tell you this much. They're barking up the wrong tree. Look, these women are the type of females that stalk, places where they feel like them can just get a man for finance them.
So Pastor, nothing wrong with that?
What do you mean by nothing wrong with that? Everything is wrong with that. Look, woman should be independent and seek companionship from a man to build with. You not just have a man as a personal slave for those work out, sir. Like seriously, and a mentality there where it's breaking the society. I'm tired of men being seen as...
Pastor, calm down. I do what me I make. Me believe say every woman should be independent too.
Uno on that TikTok something here.
Jesus, you're a friend of my son. Oh,
I saw your heart week.
I never weep my heart weak. Just never hear when you walk come up.
So me ask you something. Wanna make money off of that something there or just for fun?
Well, me do it for fun, but people make money off of it.
Oh, cause if I know about the dollars, you know, it make no sense to me, you know.
Well, you can use it as promotion too, you know.
Me no need no promotion.
But I attack you. I just shop me attack.
How?
Well, create a page for the shop, not just TikTok, but social media platform like IG and YouTube.
Sound like a plan.
Five said it's at the community shop, so you can just promote it as a historic place.
So, you know if you deal with them things, don't?
Yeah, man, it's easy.
For you. That's why you are going to deal with it. Young people think that.
But yeah, after you know all, I mean, you're a big man, yes, but all the people up on TikTok, so you can come try it.
Show one of the easy one then.
Alright, come and show you.
Sister J, I'm totally sorry. And I didn't mean to get annoyed. It's just, you know, this is really not like me.
I understand. You're human too, you know.
Look, I'm just really tired of men being seen as sex toys and ATM machines for women.
Some woman, Pastor, me's a very independent woman. Let me tell you this. From me a little bit of girl, me a hustle for my own. So me no fit up in that category there, sir.
I can definitely see that, Sister J.
But you need name of me that while I go to feel like a joke when me run.
Sister J, again, I am totally sorry. Right? And I really do not see that light. I just found it very surprising for such a statement that you made.
Let me tell you something. You see, every woman want a man to take care of them. That not necessarily mean a sex she want her money.
That is exactly what I'm talking about, Sister J. Not many women see it that way, you know. You are definitely one in a million.
Pastor, stop.
No, I mean, I'm very serious. You are a very special woman to me, right? And I have so much respect for you. So, how have you been these past couple of days?
Me alright, Pastor.
So, I see that you've basically changed your mind about speaking to me about this internal battle that you're having.
Boy, Pastor, to tell you the truth, sometimes I'm saying, no, let me just keep it to myself here, cause and everything good for eat, good for talk.
Yeah, I totally understand and I totally agree with you. However, everybody needs somebody. It really and truly makes no sense to carry a burden all by yourself, especially when you have someone who's giving you a shoulder to lean on.
I think it's time for me to go in. You coming in?
Sure.
One more guess for me. Onion,
Yes, 5.
you make the list of things they want to buy?
Yes, I did.
Where they?
See it here?
Yes, when you make the list, you put it in the book here. If you write it on a piece of paper, you leave it on the counter.
Yes, 5.
Onion,
Yes, 5.
me get a taxi number though.
Yes, you did.
To pick up the things them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when them there?
Shoppy saying they'll pick them up.
Oh, you shopping in here do video? Me never know says a dance studio me I run. It's a dance group.
5. I sure she show me how to do one TikTok video.
Oh, get it on TikTok.
5. Beg you a minute of your time. Yo, 5. What you do?
With?
What you mean? Oh, you deal with me so in front of the young lady?
Oh, me never know say you come up from country.
Because I never come up for stay. I come to pick up some things and forward.
So, you don't pick up some of them. And you in at the shop I do TikTok with Tony and
Hey. Hold on there. We are business partner. You know my boss. So I beg you. Pray your tone.
Winston. If you want to run the shop by yourself, you can do it, you know.
What you talk about? What wrong with you? This not seem like business. It seem like a jealous, you're jealous.
Look at you two.
And you make the rules, you know. And you say straight business. So you can't pre-moon. When you see me, I deal with the young lady.
I notice all of a sudden, she like up every picture for you on Instagram. You know what? Do your thing, Winston.
Oh man, any day me understand them. Me unlock the secret to life. Shut up, God.
Tony Ann,
Yes, 5.
when you wear a black pants or a black tights, I'm gonna get some top with branded. Cause the attire there, it not gonna work.
Alright. Yes, 5.
Give me a minute, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, thank you. What I go and eat this?
Go on, godmother. If you just say slimmers. Like how you now run the block again.
Where you do it is? Why you move, sir?
King and Stone Face come give me a visit, you know. So my sister me under payment.
Me nah have nothing to do with that page there.
Slimmers, hear this. Money I fi make. Food I fi eat. You walk away from the life. Never even respect me enough. A stone alone you chat to.
Brother. Me did I go link you.
That I did a go. Everything a Stone Face.
Sister J.
I immediate. Me I did the follow back.
Give me a
Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Sure?
Yeah, man.
I want pastor. You want to play Jesus. You want to die for your sins.
Just go on. I may soon come. Just give me a minute. No good man. Everything good.
Alright.
Yeah. It is my mark say something. Are you trying for my life?
Where you talk about?
What you mean when me I talk about? Me not see a par with the two youth them a try to take my life.
You're a Christian now. Maybe a spirit you see.
You know say me here for You know say me here for go have a serious start though.
King not tell you. I'm not in a talking thing. Just tell King and Stone say don't circle the block again. Here.
That you say?
That me say.
So I will get the other. Spain?
Go on, praise God and live. Yeah. Forward, man.
Good day.
Yeah, 5.
Oh, that's still what, man?
We're there now. Good day. Twice I'm coming here now. Twice I'm coming here and when I say good day.
You know, say come to think of it. About a week now, may I come here? When I come from work, I don't see her car. Or may I left, but still not see her car.
Yeah, that's strange. We come for do some studio work now. That's strange though.
You check upstairs?
No, you know. Call her phone but me still not get her.
Good day.
Good day, going with some work up here though. Nice.
Yeah, but you just unlike her if you just sit up until now and she just gone.
Yeah, I really find that strange. No matter how I call, it just ring out, you know? You alright, fine? You alright? Come sit down. Want me to get you some tea or something?
No. I'm alright. I just feel like dizzy because we in the sun all day today. Me will check you, yeah?
Action.
From your 14, me day in the street, I fend for myself. Sell weed and do some other little juggling stuff. My mother used to juggle. And my little sister, me never want a lifestyle affair, so me have to do what me have to do.
Where are they now?
My mother there in an institution, and my sister.
Look, Sister J. Sister J. You know the good thing about your Lord and Savior is that He forgives. Right? And the mere fact that you have a fresh start, that is also good.
Pastor, me think about that. Me think about that, Pastor. But me do some devil things to make it another life here. But you say one thing. You say one thing. Me always loyal.
Sister J. Sister J, look at me. Look at me. You have to be gentle with yourself. Alright? Look, it is a process. You know, I think that you were saved to save others.
Pastor.
Gladstone. You can call me Gladstone.
Okay, Gladstone.
I really want to be there for you, Sister J.
Genial. You can call me Genial.
Okay, Janelle. Listen to me. You are here for a reason, and you have a purpose. I want to help you find that purpose. And will you allow me to help you?
Yes. Yes, Gladstone.
Bubbles?
Who that, 5?
Yeah. Come on, me the door now. Me not like this.
Awa.
We need to talk to you. Well, not say goodie. Or hear from goodie.
A little while now. Me not hear from her now. But you know 5, me busy, so me not really too afraid.
What you mean little while? Like, how long now?
5 is one. You go over there and good another day?
If I did that alone, Bubbles, I get one vision. I'm not like it, and it not show clear. You in the vision, Carlton in the vision, and the next woman. I'm never see her before.
Is a dream you get? Or is a vision?
Bubbles. This feel like when Goody they get take away. And it not sit right with me. I know my best friend and we might have some things we want to talk and say to each other and we might not tell me because I feel like I talk too much. But this don't feel right. Something I go need to know about?
Alright, 5. It's about a week now we can't find Goody.
What? I don't know call the police or nothing.
So me a what? Remember say me I did police, you know?
Bubbles that I did. You run a security company now.
5, but me still have my links them.
But it's a week now we not hear from Goody.
Listen. This is not like when Carlton did take her. We know him never ever go do her nothing. But this look like him brother involved and somebody else. And
what?
Your father did come give you a warning.
What? We dead now.
Him say him have a vision about Goody. Him say she hurting, but she not hurt. Me and Carlton confused.
Yahoo? Carlton? So where you stay from us, Carlton? Carlton is supposed to be in a hiding and nobody no know when there but Goody.
5. The place which part Goody hide Carlton. Somebody go there and I ask about him. And him there for run away.
And him come at you. Glad him no know where me live. Bubbles, you say my father come warn you. When did he now?
Him did have on a black cloak.
Jesus Christ.
5 hour.
Him did have on black gloves?
Yeah.
Bubbles, father did I drink rum?
Yeah. 5 yeah scare me. Wow.
Black cloak, black gloves, white rum. I have to go see my father.
5 is what?
Bubbles, I have to see my father.
Hey, hon.
Hey, cupcake. Wagwan.
Guess what? I'm gonna cook your favorite, so try her and come on.
Yeah? You know, that's why I really love you, you know.
Love you too.
Yeah, man. Me soon far. Me just have to get a fresh and change and forward. Yeah? Yeah. Mwah. Yeah, man. Let's have party.
Marcus, what are you doing here?
Wow. You would think that I've never been here before.
That was then. What are you doing here now?
I just came to check up on you. You have been on an extended leave for.
Which I am entitled to.
I know that, but why are you being so defensive?
Because now is not a good time.
What is it? Mr. Wright is here.
Not now, but soon.
I won't be very long. And if he does turn up, you can just tell him that your boss is just paying you a visit.
With all due respect, Minister Wallace, I think I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
So, why haven't you been answering my calls or replying to any of my messages that I've been sending you?
Because I needed some alone time.
You know, I never understood why you'd want to live in a place like this. And I offered you a perfectly good apartment up by Norbrook.
Because I wanted to support myself. I wanted to control how I live, where I live, not worrying about a rug being drawn from underneath my foot because I didn't comply with certain requests.
All right. But you know that this doesn't represent you well, working for a minister of my caliber, right?
But it's mine. I paid for it. I pay the bills. And I'm proud, however simple.
You know, you've always been very headstrong about your independence. And I admire that about you. Always have.
Marcus, why are you here? So what about your wife?
That cheating bit.
Wow. So what adjective should I use to describe you?
Carlene, she never knew about us. It's not the same thing.
And that makes it any better? That is your defense?
I deserve that. But there was a time when I could speak to you about any issue I'm having, anything, and you'd comfort me. I just missed that.
That time has passed. Hindsight is the best sight. I was used as a convenience. I was your emotional punching bag. And I absorbed every bit of pain and anger. And you disrespected me.
Carlene, I'm truly sorry about that.
Too little, too late.
Okay. So I guess I should expect your resignation then.
I love my job, even though my boss sucks. I took the time to make a decision. So I'm asking you kindly to afford me that time undisturbed.
Carleen, there are a lot of things going on in my life, my personal life, and I understand that you're our boss. I get that. But I'd love for you to stay on as my secretary. I need you in that regard. So, what do you say?
I'll think about it.
Thank you, Carleen. I appreciate that. You know, I have a request.
Marcus, listen.
A hug? A parting hug. We're adults, right? And civilized. Can't we share a hug? Well, this is awkward.
George, he was just about to leave.
So hold on. Are you at the door? Him a go exit through you.
So this is the mystery man?
Marcus, please leave.
Nah, man. Him can stay. I will leave.
No, you're not. You are going to have your dinner and we speak later.
Wow. I love the family values on display right now.
Why are you still here?
Mr. Connolly, I trust you are much happier with your payments and the timing of it.
Minister Wallace, let me tell you something. You see, if I want to have a business meeting with you, I either meet you at your office or I link you up at your house. You with us?
But you know that politicians are extremely busy. Definitely me. So now is probably the best time to deal with it.
Marcus, why are you doing this?
So, did you tell him about us?
Marcus!
What happened? I'm just asking a simple question.
She tell me everything. Everything. There are no secrets between us. You with us?
Interesting. Well, I think I've heard all I need to hear tonight. Good night to the both of you. Carleen, on second thought, I think you should tender your resignation. No.
Your dinner is in the microwave.